Welcome! Today, we're diving into the fascinating science of human sleep cycles and why they matter to you. Every night, your brain follows a repeating pattern of sleep stages, each vital for your health and energy. Let's start with stage 1, light sleep. You're drifting in and out, and can wake up easily. Next is stage 2, where your body temperature cools, heart rate slows, and you relax deeper. Stage 3 is deep sleep. This is the most restorative phase, repairing muscles and boosting your immune system. We then move into REM sleep, where dreams happen and your brain processes memories and emotions. A full sleep cycle takes about 90 minutes, and you'll repeat it 4 to 6 times each night. In the first half of the night, deep sleep dominates, helping your body recover. Later in the night, REM sleep becomes longer, supporting brain health and creativity. Each stage is crucial. Missing one can affect your mood, memory, and focus the next day. Things like caffeine, light, and schedules can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. Good sleep hygiene, like a cool, dark room and regular bedtime, keeps your sleep cycle steady. Ever felt groggy after a nap? It's usually because you woke up during deep sleep. If you wake naturally after a full cycle, you'll feel more refreshed and alert. Children and teens need more sleep cycles, as their bodies and brains grow rapidly. Shift workers often struggle, since their schedules fight the body's natural rhythms. Dreams mostly occur in REM, and your brain uses this time to solve problems and process emotions. Lack of sleep can lead to health issues, from poor concentration to weakened immunity. Understanding your sleep cycle can help you wake up feeling your best every day. So tonight, remember these sleep secrets, and give your body the rest it truly needs. Thanks for watching. Sweet dreams and happy sleeping.